I'm not going to waste your time. Here's the updated version of mewing, which is mewing 2.0. Here, as you can see, the difference between the normal mewing and the mewing 2.0. It's a practice aimed at improving facial appearance and potentially enhancing jawline definition. Now let's begin. Our step number 1 is tongue posture. The cornerstone of mewing is proper tongue posture. This involves placing the entire surface of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, with the tip of your tongue resting against the incisive papilla. Step number 2, nasal breathing. Mewing encourages nasal breathing over mouth breathing. Nasal breathing promotes better oxygenation and has numerous health benefits, including improved facial development. Step number 3 is chewing. Chewing tough foods such as gum or tougher meats can help strengthen the jaw muscles and promote better jawline definition. This increased muscle activity can potentially lead to a more defined jawline and improved facial aesthetics. Step number 4 is maintaining good posture. Good posture plays a crucial role in supporting the effects of mewing. Maintaining proper alignment of your head, neck, and spine encourages optimal tongue posture and overall facial symmetry. Step number 5 is diet and nutrition. A balanced diet rich in essential nutrients is vital for supporting overall facial development and health. Nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and protein play crucial roles in bone formation and maintenance. So that was for today, guys. And if you want to glow up your hair, then click on it.